Welcome back to Bubba's Culinary Creations. Today we are making cilantro lime shrimp. We've got some corn, zucchini, and squash also to go on the grill. We're using lump charcoal today. Let's get started. We're going to take our peeled and deveined shrimp. We still have the tail on, just for a little classiness. We're going to throw in some Jarlic and the AP seasoning by Killer Hogs. That's that salt, pepper, garlic profile. A little hot sauce, because why not? We also did put olive oil in. And of course, we got to have that lime. And the star of the show, that's cilantro. So once you get it all chopped up, give it a good mix. Guys, this turned out so good. Oh man. We're just going to chop up our vegetables now. Also, thank you guys so much for your support on this channel. We are having a blast. And yes, it was raining pretty hard this day. But hey, rain or shine, baby, we still cook and we still have a good time. So now we got these babies on skewers, threw them on the grill. They only take about 90 seconds here, so you don't want to overcook these shrimp. It's really easy to, but these turned out phenomenal. I mean, they were juicy, had that great smoke flavor, or not smoke flavor, but grill flavor. And of course, once we took them off, another little squeeze of lime here. Oh man, it was so good. Y'all have got to try this one.